US biotech firm PMT is expanding into Friuli Venezia Giulia, following a partnership with Virginia to boost international business. This marks a key step in the region's effort to attract foreign investments in the biotech sector.
Sono molto contento perché si struttura sul memorandum of understanding che abbiamo fatto con la Virginia, col governatore Youngkin. L'Europa, l'Italia, in particolar modo credo il Friuli Venezia Giulia, visto anche il contesto geografico dove siamo collocati, può rappresentare un'opportunità di stabilità e di certezze. E noi vogliamo trasmettere questo alle imprese che scelgono il Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Wassenaar, the co-founder and chairman of Performance Medical Technologies, and we were introduced to Trieste in the FVG region about a year ago, and we are very excited about joining the scientific and clinical community here. We're involved in developing some new technologies for the mitigation of Parkinson's and other neurodegenerative diseases, and we believe that this can be a valuable asset to the community and all of EU eventually as it develops.
We had an opportunity to have to meet a lot of folks from industry, from academia, from clinical care, as Kurt mentioned, and we've just been so impressed with the level of expertise that we've met here. We're from Virginia. We headquartered in Charlottesville, so we're right by UVA. We're surrounded by a lot of other experts, but we needed a place to work on our EMA clinical trials and could not be more fortunate and excited to get our work started here.